Good evening, everyone. Tonight we will be working on a Amazon box cake, which you've seen all over Facebook and social media. So tonight we're going to try one with some edible images. So let's roll that intro. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at caking_at_midnight. I hope you did like the video this evening. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Always don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications to see more videos like this one in the future. Now we're going to get started with our Amazon box cake. I have 3 different 9-inch square cakes made, and we're just going to start stacking them to our normal crumb coat. Our box is still in the fridge, but I want to get started really quick on doing our board. So when your Amazon Prime box shows up, it's usually on your front porch or on your patio somewhere. So my board, I want it to look like it's sitting on cobblestones, your patio, that kind of thing. So I have an impression mat that I want to show you that I have. It looks kind of like a cobblestoney effect, but I think it'll look neat with the box sitting on top. So I have some, you can see, fondant, some white, gray, and black mixed together. And I don't have it mixed all the way together, so I don't know if you can see a little bit of a marbling effect into it. So the more that you mix your stuff together, it's going to slowly become one color. But if you put them together and you don't mix them all the way, they get this really cool marbled look. So that's kind of what we have here. So as always, I'm going to roll out my fondant with my pan with flour and take my paper towel and just kind of dab it off there, and then roll this out to my size of my board, and then I'll transfer onto my board and then finish getting all the edges where I need it to be once it's on there. Trim up my edges once I'm done, but there is our board. If you have any bubbles, just poke them with a pin. Okay, so the mat that I have, I don't know if you can see, it's got a bunch of different patterns in it. Doesn't really matter which way you use it. If I put it this way, it's gonna bubble up on one side, and I use it this way, it's gonna bubble up on the other side. So it's up to you. But once you get it on your fondant, you can take your rolling pin or your hand and slowly move and push that impression mat over your fondant. And this is why it's important to still leave some of, like, you'll still want some thickness of your fondant when you put it on your board, because that fondant has to move up into those impressions. So. Amazon cake box has been in the refrigerator for about an hour, so it's nice and firm. So we're gonna start to get these sides put on. Now I have some fondant. We're gonna pray that it's enough, that I mixed together in a brown color. We have this big thing of fondant that I have colored to what I think looks like a box. I'm just marking the center of my box because that's where everything folds. Once I have center of the box, then I'll do details around the edges to make it look like we've folded him all together. Here's my trusty level. Here's my straight edge. Now that I've got this, I want to get it transferred over to our board that we've already done, and then I will come back and we'll put our edible images on there, and then we should be all set. Our box is completely covered. It's looking good, and now I have all of our edible images cut out and ready to put on the cake. So I have Amazon Prime labels, the packing label, a couple barcodes, and the Amazon smiles to go on the side. So I'm going to start with the Prime packing labels. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. I do answer any of those, or if you'd like to see anything in the future, let me know in those comments. This is Caking at Midnight, and happy caking.